Africa mahle butani bantu womgquba igama lami ndingusilindile uma mpinga umbhalo kwaqosha into omntwana ngingabona boyifuna abantwana ndifuna abadala kuthi aphuma abantwana ndifuna udlala nonyoko sibumbu mitha kanjani ubhukuxekile nivile romance out ngiyayizwa musi romance lapha ayisiyi ningathi ngiyathukana guys mamelanini ke namhlanje ngiphethe omunye usisi ngimcela ukuthi angangidedemile lo sisi uyakhala like yabona makhulunywa ngomuntu passionate when she sings something and she always sing things that she knows that she will feel, she will resonate and she will make a greater version of it. Ngiphethe uMasompisi guys. So
hi mama, how are you doing? As you can tell.
Tell me, ipuyaphi le voice because you've got a husky voice. How do you land that voice?
Okay, nanokuthi bengicula kakhulu ekhaya, makukhona mina ekhaya, uzongizwa. I'm loud.
Ngale voice yakhe ehoshozelayo still.
I'm loud. Yabona mina beze babizana ngama meeting. Okay, lengani bangumsindo. 6 ekseni. Sisumemeza umuntu uyacula.
So now I want you to tell our viewers ukuthi ubani noMasompisi. Awuzilande nje.
Hi guys, kama nami noMpendulo Mbele, but I go by the name Pretty Masompisi. Well, igama lami lelithi Pretty Masompisi. Well, liqhamuka from umama ifuna ungiqamba athi noMpendulo Pretty. But ke baba nginkani yakhe bathi no, akabi negama elilodwa.
Yeah.
noMpendulo. So yeah man, and then when mangifika like goal ngathi it's fine ngizoba Pretty nesibongo sami Masompisi. Yes, so Masompisi nje ingane ekhulisa ogogo. Yeah man, ngithanda ukucula, hamba isonto esikoleni icula mina kuphi la kunomsindo khona. You will find me.
I like Smokats guys.
Yimo zongithola.
Yes, and mina ngiyajabula ukuthi ubaba wakho didn't allow. I'm sorry guys, but ngifeel ukuthi when we listen to history, a reason that we had these middle names that were borrowed from Western people, it was because ukhumbule ngaleso sikhathi leso they couldn't understand our native names, so bekufanele ukuthi kubizwa amagama bazokhona ukuwabiza. I like the fact that ubaba wakho didn't allow that because I hate my English name.
Okay, Mina. Yeah. What is your name? What is your English name? I won't judge.
But I won't judge.
That's a beautiful name though. Get through town, yeah. But yeah man, nanokuthi that time vele mase ngihlala manje ngiphansi ngicabanga yabonza angeke yo hayi igama lelilodwa li right, but I would have loved to have a second name, but manje uba mhlawumbe bade bengazi ukuthi ngizoba Pretty Masompisi bengizobani because phela bengiyenza ngithatha igama lami la ID.
Alala yabona ke,
so it's a good thing ukuthi angilifakanga kwi-ID.
You still honoring your mom though.
Yes,
yabo.
Yes.
So now I heard ngifuna nje silande emuva. Where were you born?
Oh, okay. Ngazalelwa eDurban, eClearwater. Hope ngipronounce kahle Nkosi yami. So mama nobaba bahlangana lapho. Whatever that happened, I was abandoned, and then ugogo wazongilanda la kuhlala khona babami because thina sihlala ePortchepstead wona bahlala eDurban.
Okay.
So it's quite a distance. Yabo. So ugogo wazongilanda then wangikhulisa.
I'm sorry to disturb you. You said you were abandoned.
Yes.
By who?
By my mother.
Okay. So ugogo zokulanda umama kamama or umama kababa?
Mama kababa. Okay. So ngathi mhlambe maybe ngawukuthi they were young. I can blame that. She was young because nanenkathi ugogo ezongilanda eThekwini akuzange kufone ubaba, but bengihlala endlini kababa. Kuzange kufone kodwa kafona ubhuti kababami obeze ezovakasha wathola ingane ilele empedeni abuza ayibo.
How old were you when you are told?
I think I was okay. He told me that I was less than a month because my tata ngizala obviously ngimncane. She can't go with me ambu groove nami. Obviously mangawa phansi phelile.
Yeah.
So she forced ubaba ukuthi ahlale nami. You know, that's what he told me. Ngambiza ngobhutam because ngisho ugogo ngikhule ngimbiza ngomama.
Okay.
So igama lakho Mthobisi yena wathi kimi no, walefonela umama kunengane la ingane kaSimphiwe and le ngane le iyashona and I try by all means ukuthi ngiphuzisa amanzi anoshukela ukuthi akwazi ukuthi at least kube na something eswini.
Oh, because you need now ibele or a baby formula. I hear
you see. So ugogo shuthi wabona ukuthi le ngane shuthi mangayilanda izoshona. Abo then weza ke wazongilanda ever since that time ngaze ngibona mama my biological mother and I was nompendulo.
I hope I'm not stepping in any. I'm a mother, right? And I cannot imagine my life without my kids.
Yeah.
And we are here not to judge because but we don't respond the same in any situations out there, in any pain, in any happiness or any other aspect of emotions.
Yes.
So now, mama, wayekshia because of she felt ukuthi she needed her life more than having her life with you.
On my side,
that's how I perceive it.
Manje, yes, I was angry, so angry at things. How cool, because I wanted never mind to Gogo gave me utando.
Yes,
but that thing ukuthi yana kumntengifana naye. You know, I really want to see ukuthi ngifana nobani.
So you are told that ufana no mama when?
She never told umama gogo wami akazangitshela ukuthi ngifana nobani kahle hle, because baba mangifana naye. I swear.
Yes.
But I feel like maybe that time she was young and nanokuthi sibancane sathi inqumo ezingafani because she was not from Durban. I think baba yena wangitshela ukuthi from I forgot this place but it's a KZN ikude futhi nase Durban edlangezwe. I think so. So.
Yeah.
So my show shuthi ngasho ukuthi ugeli waye lapha eDurban ngokuthi uzosebenza. Ngingazi usebenza ngayiphi indlela because isiningi indlela zokusebenza, you know. So mabethandana because I don't think there was love there on my side.
Okay.
Maybe ngaba ukuthi we just hyped, friends, you
with
know, with something because if they were dating bebezoba nama pictures. Baba here's an album lapha endlini engaka. In my pictures are wonke umuntu but he doesn't have a picture of my mom. So I feel like maybe they were young and kwenzeka lento ukuthi one night stand bese kwavela mina.
And vele ukhumbula 2004 is just here.
Yes.
So we were now having our phones and all that.
Yes.
I liked it when you said sisi banama reasons angafani for anything and everything. Is there any day that you wish you could meet her maybe?
Okay, kahle ngiyamfuna but ubaba mi is giving me difficult time to tell me what happened.
Do you know your mom's name and surname?
Yeah, it's Lolo Mchunu. I don't think Lolo is Kamala surely Kamala say
laba behlangene ngale last time.
Yeah, because naye mangimbuza uvelathi igama lakhe uSimphiwe Lolo Mchunu. I'm having difficult wait nali singase singisiphela but angimkholela mayisho njalo because igama lababa uSimphiwe yini emhlulu ukuthi all this time angitshela ukuthi igama lakhe uSimphiwe, so surely he's lying to me ukuthi uSimphiwe. So bengimfuna yena shame so much but at the same time ngimfunela mina or ngimfunela for closure. That was the questions that I had in my mind because if I don't find her futhi ngizoba ngengize kube buhlungu noma kuthiwa ngiyamthola kuzoba cool, you know. Yes, I'm angry but ngi-angry ngalendlela ukuthi why me, you know. But at the same time I love her. I want to meet her one day. I want to hug her and tell her yey wena yazilana bethi ngizinqa awusho sisithathe bezinto ezingayo.
Yes,
you know. But I wish I can see her one day but at the same time angimfuneli lento ukuthi ngiyamfuna, I need her in my life. No, maybe ngimfunela for closure or maybe ngifuna ukuthi okay ngifana nana
because you feel it's not like your life right now is on hold.
Yes,
as she's not here.
Yes.
I like the fact that you are able to distinguish maybe what is it reasons, what are reasons for that you want her for. And then tell me now ekukhuleni kwakukhuliswa ugogo vele ukuphaphamela kwakho uphaphamela kugogo.
Yes.
And then uphaphamela kwibrother kubrother kababakho, which umbiza ngobhuti.
Yes.
When did you discover that ugogo akasuma wakho? And now, in the midst of this whole thing, where was your dad? Because now, yes, we understand the dynamics of her not being in the picture. Where was Ubaba? And was he communicating? Okay. Was he coming home to see you and all that, helping ugogo?
Okay. I forgot the first question.
Yes, the first question was when did you discover that Gogo is not Gogo, is your mother?
I think I was in grade R because I was grade 2.
Okay.
I was young that time. Because ubaba yena behlala naye ekhaya, even though belithanda utshwala naye, best friends. So
was he working, ubaba?
That time he was working. Yeah, he was working. Esebenza eclinic, unompilo eclinic.
Okay.
I think so.
And then now, did you know that he was your father?
Okay. Let me ngiqale. Yes. So cause nami ngiyadopa from my memories.
I'm listening.
So the time I realized ukuthi nangu baba uyena bana ngitshela ukuthi ayi wena ngiyena ubhuti ngubaba kwena, you know, and umuntu adembiza ngobhuti, it was ilast born kamama kagokwami uphilane bembiza ngobhuti. So nami ngilale ngithi bhuti until he told me, hey, I'm not your bhuti na, I'm your father, you know, even though gokwami didn't tell me, maybe mhlambe she knew why, yabo, and it reason yakhe I don't care ukuthi thini mina, I go for it. So
and I think one of the reasons was if you were to find out that he's your father, then you want to know where is your mother.
Yes. So mangikhula ke ngilana ngiqala singashintsha sengimbiza ngobaba, yabo. I don't think it sit well with Uma, but at the same time she was like, hey, cool, no problem, ngani yakho, I can't say anything, you know. When I was in grade 2, benginama questions nami ngisasemncane, lokho ukuba curious man ngisasemncane ukuthi
I cannot say baba lana, but ngithi mama
futhi
naye uthi mama, yeah,
you know. And then this one time I remember so abaleya ngikhumbula njengayizolo. So this time sihleli noma athi kimi ngithi mina Emma wena uyena mama uyazi ukukhula like bamncane futhi uyadama,
mhlambe awuzona sezitrateni, mhlambe kunabantu abakufunzayo.
Yes, they are telling,
abantu bayathanda ukufunzana. Yes,
they are telling me hayibo wena uma wakho lo gokwakho lona, yabo, ngithi no uma wami lona mina ngiyilast born kamama,
yes,
yabo, until ngigcina sengimconfront ma wena uyena mama ubani mama, athi hayibo angazi wena ungibuzile ukuma wakho, ngithi mina ule emazweni, yabo. And that time ngiremember the reason I remember because that was when she confirmed right into my face, yeah,
yes, I'm not. Yeah, without saying anything. And I was like, okay, cool, you know, because ngasho ukuthi ngisakhula bengisondela kakhulu nokugogo to that extent I didn't realize ukuthi oh fuck, I'm just umzukulu angiyona ingane, because bengithanda kakhulu, bengithanda mina bengiqanda qanda likagogo njengoba abanye bengaba mahurutman wena lalikagogo. Yes.
So ubaba ke that time naye ke the second question, wait, I don't wanna.
Yes.
The second question was
ubaba manje ukhona empilweni yakho, and then the dynamics between him encedisa ugogo kwakunjani? Yes.
Well, he was bad, guys. I don't wanna lie. He was bad when it comes to it. Maybe ngabo ukuthi ukhula.
Okay.
Sometimes umuntu, maybe whatever that happened between her and my mother, biological mother, mhlambe affect her low key, cause the way he treated me after some years, since he one and only child that he has, I don't think ukuthi indlela right ukuthi angitreat ngayo. You know, maybe ngabo ukuthi there's something in him that ephukile that leaded to him enze zonke izinto lezi azenza kimi. I will tell you ukuthi izinto lezo.
Okay.
So he didn't treat me well he didn't even contribute into my life. Ugogo nje
bezimele yedwa.
yes.
Ukuphi umkhulu that time akasekho umkhulu?
Umkhulu sewashona nje, I think yokudala.
Don't you think maybe he couldn't, because there are people who says I didn't witness how to be a father through my father. Wasn't maybe one of the challenges that he might have had, or maybe he couldn't be a father because of he didn't experience father in his life?
Angifuni ukuthi ngidemolishe igama lakhe, but at the same time angifuni ukuthi ngimenze abe umuntu omuhle. Because what he did to me, even namanje still haunts me, still in me. No matter what ngikhuluma ngayo, sometimes I even cry, but I try so hard to be strong because this is my story to tell to another person. So I feel like because ugogo wami ungitshele kahle wathi umkhulu, he was a loving husband. He was a loving husband, even though vele kuzoba khona ama-fights.
Of course.
So ama-fights ababe nawo, ngingasho ukuthi ama-fights ukuthi hayi wena manisi tsha uzwahlanga ngani, yabo. The way
but he was not toxic.
Yeah, he was not toxic.
And he was an available father.
Yes, he was an available father. And maybe ke mhlambe khona umuntu ugogo angazange angitshele yona that leaded to baba muthe abe ilenda yona manje. You know, because even the first time ugogo ngixoxela ukuthi no, there was this one time a girl lied ukuthi unengane yakhe, and she was excited ukuthi nginengane.
That was prior to you.
Before me. And when she told me I'm like, okay, cool. She was like, I'm the problem. Yabo. But mhlawumbe kuuthi yena engqondweni yakhe akakwazi ukuba ubaba, besides ukuthi walithola uthando ubaba from ubabakhe or akalitholanga, kuuthi mhlambe naye vele self akanalo lolathando. Because abona makufika mangase 2 months hleli ukhona na ingane yami lena, yabo. But when there's nobody, he shows his bad side. That side when amazo uthi uyalibona
bese ngithi namaphost nompumela like into enjalo. I hear you. You know, I'm trying to comprehend this, ne? Uyasho ukuthi mhlambe uke waba nomuntu omphosiselayo ngengane. I think maybe when you came, he was guarded. Now maybe he was scared to love you and to find that maybe now I'll see you. No, I don't know.
Okay.
At the very same time, as I said, Wuti, I don't do interviews because I want us to have a sit. Maybe it's Yami can make you change other perspectives of whatever that case may be.
Yeah.
And then the researchers, by like psychologists, they always say that akekho umuntu ongaba very excessive ejwaleni or any kind of substance abuse if there's nothing wrong psychologically. They want to suppress something. And I wish usaphila baba.
Yeah, usaphila.
I wish one day, as you a person who believes in closure, he can come back and tell you all the reasons why he was suppressing whatever that he was going through ngochwala. Because I heard you said ukuthi umuntu ophuza kakhulu. Yes. There's something wrong that obviously it's in a cause of we're not qualified for that, but as they always say, but ke asiphume lapho andisibonga ukuthi awushonanga nkosi yami. Yes, asiqhubeke.
Okay, the reason why ngithi mina.
So when did you discover that your father was ill-treating you?
Well, when did I discover that? When I started, okay, so I moved from umama. I don't know why. It was a stupid idea.
Were you a teenager at that time?
I was, but I was like in grade 6, grade 5.
Okay, you were still, you were not even a teenager yet.
Yes, so I just wanted that love, man. About, like
so I say move out endlini.
No baba bengahlali vele nathi endlini mhlambe benegogogo lakhe eceleni, so bese kwakhiwa ke imchaso, so une RDP yakhe ke. So ngathi no man ngihlala no baba mina manje, I want to have that love that I see ebantwini.
How did Gogo take this, mama?
She didn't like it. She took it because she was like, bruh, I've been through hell with you, now you just want to leave? Why do you want to live? Because I know why ngikususa kulo muntu when I worry again. And every day baba muyahola namhlanje uzothola ibiza zonke ingane zangasekhaya and ngama-5 rand but mina esikoleni angiphathi lutho. Mina esikoleni nje mina gogo maye nginike lo 5 rand ngoMonday ngizophatha until Friday.
So carry 1 rand ngela.
Yes. So I couldn't even ask my own father. He would rather take that 5 rand from me. You understand? That's how he was. But something inside of me pushed me ukuthi lo muntu ngiyamthanda yini. I don't care what wenzani, but I love him. You know, I started staying with him. Oh, that's when that's when I was like, yo. He used to he's I think he has anger issues. Beat me every day. Like, do you know toxic relationships? That.
With no reasons.
Okay,
I don't care. No, I don't care. No matter kukhona reasons. There's no one who's allowed to do that.
Because yabona even namanje mangimfonela ngikhuluma naye nginaleya anger. But I still wanna fix things, even though it's not fixable. But I still have hope ukuthi one day mina ngisokwazi ukufixa that father and daughter relationship. Even though he doesn't acknowledge the pain that he has put me through, because I this one time he tried to beat me with something that namanja ngikazi ngikhohle. He tried beating me with ifosholo. Not tried, he did. And it broke me so much that even today when I look at him, I see that moment. Even namanja mangimbuza ukuthi, why did you do this? He doesn't even give me a straight answer. That's how I see my father now. And manje sengiyakwazi ukukhuluma naye ngithi, do you remember this day? Oh, okay, cool. If you don't remember that one, do you remember this one then? And it became when I would say kube khona stepmother, and things just went south more. You know, I don't hate it.
Were you still a primary?
Yes, in
level?
Primary. Listen, guys, I don't hate you, but what I want to tell you, Uguti, if I was a stepmother and I can see what my boyfriend is abusing ingane yakhe, I would have protected that little baby, because yes, nami ngihlupha ingane mayihlupha, but uma ubengishaya, I don't have a trauma. But angaze ngibe ne trauma. So for me now, on my side, to tell you the truth, maybe ngabo ukuthi yena ubena lento ukuthi yazi wena uma wakho angilahla uma wakho in a way, because sometimes my ngishaya uzothi ingakho fana noma wakho yabo. So yeah, man, I'm still healing from what my father did to me. If I could tell you more, but I don't wanna like mhlawumbe uthi ubhizi namapheli, because phela ubhizi nabantu my patient because I'm udoda nomuyi, but unompilo. So I don't wanna angifuna ukumosha igama lakhe, but I just want everybody to know what he did to me really broke me. Benginalento ukuthi I will never answer anyone my mbuzu like so, but when time went by I was like, hey pretty, if lento uzoyivalela ngaphakathi, you're not gonna heal. And every day when I talk about it, like slowly mina ngaphakathi ngiyahileka low key, even though he doesn't want to acknowledge my mistake wakhe. Afuna ukuthi asho okay pretty, sorry bra, noma ngasho serious yathi sorry ke
shuthi sorry
you know. But yeah, man, Babami, man, I love him.
Oh man, I feel I can relate.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna say I can imagine. I can relate.
Yes.
And I'm gonna share this with you. Masugala.
Okay, cool.
I know exactly what you're talking about. And I said, it's so painful because Mina, the person who did that, angina akasaphili kodwa angina zinto ezinhle to say about her.
Yeah.
When did you decide to go back to Gogo? Because you would have, like, what kept you ukuthi uhlale nobaba elokho kwenza lezi zinto lezi, while you could have just went
Left.
back? ugogo, and you knew now because beku easy ukuthi udifferentiate uthando lukababa nelikagogo, isn't it? Why didn't you go back home to gogo where you were loved?
I was young, and I was young, and I thought I would fix whatever that my father
And
has.
uzozabona ubaba ukuthi
Uzozabona ukuthi
ngiyamthanda.
ngiyamthanda. Noma sometimes efuna ukungishaya nje benza ukuthi baba ngiyakuthanda, angihlalise lapha phansi athi why wenza ukuthi angishaye ngempama, you know.
You would still say it in the midst of
Yeah, but I think I didn't move early. Ngabo ukuthi I wanted to go back home kumamami, but I broke her. That me living to my father when bekade ngikhulisa all along, I broke her.
busewunamahloni futhi
Bese
okubuyela
nginamahloni ukubuyela
ngamuva.
kuyena because she loved me through thick and thin.
Yes.
The time engithatha le eThekwini, mama lengane encane uzoyikhulisa kanjani wena? Yini ufuna ukubulala ingane zabantu? Ayi wena mina ngiphindisa lengane la ithathe khona. And I have a song and ama lyrics wami asho njalo. And ama lyrics wami on the song. You know, every time
Awushaya kancane. Awushaya kancane.
Okay, ithi ngibonga uthando ngiphelona, wangikhulisa ngingena muntu mama, ungicoshe ngilahliwe, wabo ubaba wabo mama kimi mama, abantu bekuhleka bebusa ukuthi lengane encane kangaka uzoyi. But yeah, mama, please don't make me cry.
It's a good feeling.
Yeah, man.
I'm
and
crying because it's a good feeling. Lento kodwa uyishaya manje.
yeah, man. And the time when I wanted to go home, it was not too late. It was not late, but it was amahloni ukuthi how am I going to tell her ukuthi ma what you told me ngitholile lapha. And I wish mhlambe the day I wanted to leave lapha kababa kwenzeka something or ngiphuke for me not to go there.
Yeah.
Because he's just next door.
Yeah.
It's like this and that.
And maybe she was witnessing all of this or indaba bezifika kuyena.
Indaba bezifika kuyena, but she was like she made a decision, you know. And sometimes now man mazothi angithatha mina ngiadopt and I leave, I go back to that person that you took me from, you be like
yeah, isahamba yozizwela kodwa umnyango wami uzohlala uvuliwe if she wants to come back.
And I can't say this thing, but ahlupha ke teenager.
Yes, I was going there. So you kept on staying with your father while uyithine uqala
uqala manje
stage.
Yes, namabela seyakhula manje. So but ukuphuma kwami from baba to gogo, I'm going to share this story, but don't come back for me.
Yes.
So it happened that ugogo yo nkosiyami ngahlupha ngakamfana, and mangakamfana we didn't do anything. I swear we didn't do anything. And ubaba, okay, lento izenza ukuthi ngabuya late from a practice.
So grade bani manje?
I think I was in high school. I was in high school. So okay, ngabuya late from practice, mangibuya late from practice, athi baba phindela la uvela khona. Nongijayela ukuthi angishaye. That day angizangishaye ke. Athi phindela la uvela khona. So angihlalisa emnyango until late. Like late, not late.
After midnight.
Yes. I walked back to my boyfriend. I passed by him. So ngayabuyela kamfana mina kodwa no, I came back. I lied to him. I didn't tell him what happened. And then umfana abantu, he was generous ngalendlela ukuthi no, hlala phansi sana ikuphakela ukudla. You know, he was not like other guys. He was not like other guys, I swear. I don't know. I don't want to tell you his name because it will come for him. No.
No.
So Vanaband, he was a nice guy.
Yeah.
Until after 2 days, because he was in kayak.
So yakipita ntombazana.
Siyakipita. Ningangijudge. So mese ngisabuyele ekhaya uma wazozongilanda. Phela into yenzayo ayikho right. Stop it.
Ukubiza bani?
Mpe.
Mpe. Yes.
Mpe lento ezayikho right. Usamncane and I would him azange shy because she was like, yeah, doing a great job. No. Azange shy because she saw ukuthi I'm just a stupid little girl that owahamba wayaka babakhe man say free wenza noma yini. Luckily that guy didn't do anything to me, guys. Didn't do anything. So ka abantu ke bavuma ukuthi hayi ngiphrisi bengihlalisele la ekhaya engiyaxolisa mampe, I'm sorry. And then that when ngaqala ke ngahlala nogogo ke ngahlala ke naye ke ezinye izinto ke I can't share, guys. I can't share.
It's okay.
I can't share, but that's when ngibuyele kagogo wangithatha sathi impahla zami ngale kababa because naye ubaba bayadingana ndaba uthi angifuni noma angifuni. So that's what made her angry ukuthi ingani nganyamalala ngolhlanu ngomgqibelo yophuza sonto awunandaba nje nengane uthi kephi. So when
you don't even come to me and ask ukuthi akafikanga la endlini uMpe.
you don't even ask, you don't even tell me ukuthi ingane ikuphi. Ngizwa ngabantu mina ukuthi ingane ikuphi. Yabo. So and then after that ke ngosama ngikhusela since.
So now tell me, because kuba nalento ukuthi ingane phela imizalwa fanele ibe nekhadi lasekliniki yenzelwa ama birth certificate. How was that done for you when your mother was not there?
Oh my
your
gosh.
Biological mother.
Angeke azaboshwa, please ngicela ukuthi angaboshwa. So
Yes.
you know what, she actually lied
And say you're hers.
washo ukuthi no ngingane yami. Umama omdala wena ngeke ngane ncane kanje khombisa umthungu ukuthi usunengane yakho.
Wakusiza because
Yeah.
kube we are struggling nokuthola ID. You did a great job, Mama. Where is she now?
Ukhona Nkosi yami kokwama Nkosi yami and manje siyaguga Nkosi yami lo abuhlade abona ukuguga ukuguga shebe yazi sono phela enye intombazane enhle kabi eshaya Nkosi yami ngemcondo yayo but yeah man wow she was able to get me a birth certificate and after that yeah cause okay that time uthatha eyongenzela i-birth thingy wayehamba nomkhulu but umkhulu phela omunye yabo because the last born ingane kamkhulu.
Okay, gotcha.
So yeah mina bese ngikhule ngazi ukuthi umkhulu lo babami mamami lo until when time ke babami sengitshethe no mina ngubaba
Yes.
lo umkhulu wakho
Gotcha.
oh okay
Correct. Good, right. And then I want us to now to talk about uNkulunkulu into akubusise ngayo. When did you discover when uthi you've got this in you? You've got this beautiful voice.
The beautiful voice. Well, ngikhule vele mina ngumuntu oculayo. And bekuna la ingane zengibiza. Wasekhini ingane lapha iyacula. Bangibiza bathi imali acula. Ngicule. So angasho ukuthi nginake I think I was in like my grade 1, 2. I'm not sure, but I was young. Because ekhaya bekunanento ukuthi izitsha uzwashela endlini uzohlala phandle.
Yeah, I
So
know.
to keep yourself ungabhorekanga, what you should do, sing. So I bengicula ke until I discovered ukuthi I can hit that high note.
Yes.
I can go high until my last breath. So yeah, man. Yeah, I think I was young.
And now we had isn't just ngabo idols. Is there any time in your life where you were like one day ngizohamba ngiyo-audition and other spaces mhlambe? Have you been in a space where you thought maybe now uzozenza izinto ezinjalo?
Okay, mina I hate my competition. The reason why I hate my competition because mina I feel like if when you win and mina ngwini shuthi mina ngiyabheda. That's how I felt.
Feeling like izokudiscourage.
Yeah, izongidiscourage mina phakathi and mina ngikhule ngulo muntu uthi ama opinion abantu ngiwathathela ekhanda kakhulu. So if that at that young age bengile kuma idols and they told me ukuthi nah, I'm sure man ngabe ngikho la ngikhona. You know, so I feel like low key I was protecting myself and nanokuthi ugogo bengazazi lezi ama-idols yabo abantu bebesuggest bek ma-idols but mina low key nje ngaphakathi angiwathanda ama-competitions and yebo ngisakhula bengikwenye igroup besina kuyona sengikhohlweni igama lethini Imugelani masibambisane I think I still remember. I saw this group, we sing poem, we do poems,
it was a creation
act,
it was a creation space.
Siya-acta nje, so mina bengisina ngishaya ama-poem ngicula ngiphinde futhi ngi-act as umama angamshoni sakhumbula sikangumama but but bengi-act and ama-competition besihamba siyi-group kanjalo ke but ukuthi mina ngizohamba ngingedwa masingawinana futhi nakhona bengasiyona i-big deal because besibona ukuthi la swinanga because of this
when you were collective not instead of ukuthi ube one.
Yes, but nje ama-competition mina personally guys angiwathanda futhi umemeza kakhulu ukuthi angikhale la
but so you need to tone it down.
You know what, I see you but you need more you need to lower your voice. How am I gonna lowering my voice?
You need someone who's gonna help you how to put
y'all
everything
should help me to lower it while accepting me. How? But yeah, man,
I love that. And now umenshine ukuthi ungena isonto.
Yeah.
Are you still going to church?
Don't judge, but listen. So, ngala eGoli, I don't have a church engaya kuyo.
Okay.
Le ngasekhaya sikhule umama wami ube nesonto ebesiya kulona since from school. So, yawena labo pastor abafikayo endaweni abadumile kuthiwa ingeke upastor uyathandaza lo pastor. We started going to those church. Angalahla ngisonto lakhe kodwa like this Sunday mina ngiyangala yabo. So I think ukusonta kulawa masonto kakhulu mina mentally ngisakhula. I think kungenze kungiprogramile ukuthi if a church doesn't ayinayo lento ukuthi fire angi
nama tongues.
Yes, angi. And when I grew up and I learned ukuthi some of them they are scams, the love for church decrease.
Now you're speaking my language. Now you're speaking my language.
Even it decrease at the same time. I'm not saying I won't go to church. I would love to go to church, but church that are normal, like where I come and touch my hand and give me 10,000 rand. Nah.
Can I tell you this? A church is not a building. That is why nasebhayibheleni soyitsho ngesixhosa sithi mna nendlu yami sokumkhonza uYehova ophilayo. It means that you and your people, you can be at home and be a church.
Yes. And
the most important thing that people maybe, I don't know, perceive different from how I perceive it. Mina, I believe, just have a good relationship with your God.
Yes.
Just have a good relationship with your God. Ngifuna ukwenza umzekelo. Khona you have a bond noma wakho ugogo, right?
Yes.
Awushi ne? Are you okay?
No.
Okay.
It's all right.
Okay. You have a good relationship noma ekhaya. Let's say khona manje bese uyasuka kumanje ngoba sewuseGoli manje. Uhlale 5 years ungamfonela uma. Bese uvelelwa inkinga. Sekuphoqa ukuthi uhambe uyomfonela uma. Awe ukuthi uma ngosuku ozomfonela ngalo. Her first question mazothi, "Ma yazi ngidinga usizo ukuthi uzothi." How ngani yami usuyangazi kanti manje wena wonke. I believe that even with your God, because you need to know God for yourself. So I believe ukuthi iyafana noNkulunkulu wakho omkhonzayo. Uma uqhelile kuyena. How do you expect him to listen to you mhla ubuyayo ngaleso sikhathi leso? You understand? It's going to take time, but if you have a good relationship naye, uhlala ukhuluma naye, uhlale updated. As much as uyasho ukuthi he knew us before we were conceived in our mother's wombs and all that, but you choose wena ukuthi uyafuna ukuhlala kuye na. So mina, that's how I perceive. And I'm not saying people shouldn't go to church. We need to do things on our free will and do things that make sense to us. Yes.
Mina, to tell you the truth, I can say that Owamanje, I don't have a good relationship with God. I will tell you why. la eGoli phela mina ngifaka la eGoli angiyazi ukuthi ngiyoba famous no ngafaka ngimncane eGoli.
How old were you bengisazokubuza lo
I was
mbuzo lo
50, 16.
uza kubani?
Hey, the long story I will tell you.
Okay.
I will tell you. So let me finish the
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So mangifika la eGoli, I was young and I did things that I know ukuthi if I'm gonna say God please forgive me, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So I felt like me praying every day and asking for forgiveness for something that I'm gonna continue doing it's useless.
Okay, goes.
And I think mind since I'm not saying I'm a born again, but I've fixed my life. I'm where I am now, and lang corner I can tell ukuthi I'm different from that pretty that came to that little pretty or figure like gold.
Yeah.
I'm different now. Maybe that's when now I'm gonna start to create the relationship with God. But back then, Shem, to tell you the truth, I didn't have a good relationship with God. The only time I cried to God was when I was very depressed, thinking that I want to commit suicide, trying to commit suicide. That's when I would talk to God. But when I can say, man, I want God to forgive me, I don't.
Let's go. What was that moment where you felt like you were about to take your life?
Mangifika la eGoli, the main reason why I came to Jersey was when I met this lady. I won't explain why ngiyeze eGoli ngayeka isikole bafethu. I won't.
Okay.
Whatever that you know, it's true.
Okay.
It's true.
Yeah.
So mangifika la eGoli, I met this lady le ngasekhaya wathi kimi pretty ngamanje bese ngisiyekile isikole because of some other reasons. Maybe it's my fault, maybe it's my father's fault, or maybe it's someone's fault. I don't know. Maybe stagey, I don't know, but it's something namvele hayi ukuthi angiyazi. I know ukuthi ubani iphutha la khona, but I don't want to combat that person now.
And are you still planning to go back to school though? You're still young.
Loading. That answer is loading.
Okay.
Okay, mama. So I met this lady. Le ngasekhaya to give me pretty. We have umsebenzi eGoli. Should come. Umsebenzi. Athi mina anginayo must be no grade 12. No.
You were 15.
I was 15.
This lady wrong. I'm so sorry because that's child labor.
No.
That's child labor. You cannot offer umsebenzi to a child on a 15, but I hear you.
Okay, cool. So no man, umsebenzi wakhona so. We just bakunika ama products like my lights, machine okuni. You see those door people abakokotayo.
Yeah.
We're selling this, we're selling this.
Yeah.
I was that girl.
Right way, Nantumbo.
So my first trip, I went to Limpopo.
So usuke from Durban
Ngeza
eGoli.
eGoli,
Ufikele
then
kuphi eGoli?
ifike like kule company lena. Same day la kuzotravel khona siye
Okay. Where
Yes.
i-company i-based kuphi ngaso?
eJozi phakathi eJozi
Okay.
phakathi.
Okay.
So
Oh, I remember those times. Promotions.
yes, ama promotions.
Yeah.
Yes. So sisakhona ke mangithatha ke ngihamba naye ama trip ke.
Siyamo semncane.
Mind you, I don't know Sipedi. I don't know Sipedi.
Kubuthwa umswarelo nkosi yami.
And I had to learn Sipedi. Got 2 days fela before I go to work.
Modimo khotsa.
And lucky enough, I was because ulimlam mina vele ngasho ukuthi when it comes to other languages, especially Sotho, Tswana, other language, I like them. So it was
Which
easy
year
for
was
me.
this, Sanazam?
Now I'm 20.
Yeah, that was 2020. It was during COVID.
Yes.
Yeah, COVID.
Yes. So mangiya ke that side ngasebenza nje kahle even though I didn't get paid because ngisho it's commission.
Ish,
If they don't buy,
you don't get paid.
you don't get paid. So after the trip ngahlala nayo sisilona. I can't say it bengihlala kuphi guys because I'm gonna demolish bagama bantu because some of them they didn't treat me good. Didn't treat me good.
Damn you. Shame on you.
Shame on you. So yeah, man. And then I started ngayeka khona because I man yo bra. Cabanga usebenza 4 months wonke.
Awutholi lutho.
awutholi lutho.
And then now, were you still having your communication noKokekai?
Nalapho futhi, even though when I left she was like, "Mpe mina ngisazi ngenzeni ngawe.
Yenza lokho okufunayo ngane yami.
Whatever that you do, make sure that you don't come back la ngebhala.
Oh.
Ungabuyi la ekhaya usuphethwe ingculazi, ungabuyi la ekhaya sekumele manje ngikuphiphe. Angisho ukuthi ungabuyi, buya kodwa angifuni leyo nto leyo ukuthi iyenzeke.
Angifuni ukuthi ube i-responsibility yami. Ngeke ngikuphiphe, ngiqede yokuthatha umncane, ngiphinde futhi.
Understand?
I hear you.
She was telling me she was low-key telling me ukuthi ziphathe kahle la yakho.
Yes.
That world, people come there, bethwala ngamabhala, umuntu obuye ethi, "Yes, sengiyakubona.
Hell.
Ubani wena? Asengifunda nawe."
Cela amaheo.
She was low-key telling me ukuthi, "Mpema yakulelo goli lakho ngicela ukuthi."
Kwandonga ziyaduma madoda, inyama iphela kuphela amazinyo endoda, emalayitini. Nkosi yami uthi uma ufika nje wena ubujwayele bomnyama uma ufika ube ngathi uba dizzy.
So yeah, and then I started living with friends that and there.
How was it?
You're bright. Are you living with friends?
Yeah.
You believe me, my sister, you would learn in the night ukuthi hayi.
Fanele uziphandele manje. Yeah.
Kunzima.
Gotcha.
You do things that you're not even proud of doing. You do things that you most buka manje like, "Ha! I'm judging you now." So when I started, but I didn't tell my body, guys. Please, I didn't. Don't ever think because I did. I said my body. I didn't tell my body, but it was a thing. Good team. I was young and being my difficulties of Pulegoli. I managed to get myself an iPhone. That's when. Let me not drone. Ask me another question.
Sweet Kali. Because that's where I was going with it. How did we get in this space that now
Yes.
I'm sitting with you? You know.
What's the me?
Legal guys. Mina unfortunate guys. You don't understand. Mina nizoloko nje ni like, ni comment, ni share. Mina ngihlala nabo. I'm like
Levels. There's a difference between me and you. Thank God.
Levels.
Levels.
But yeah, I got sure she's not open to people who wants to meet her. I mean,
Yeah,
she's a good
guys.
person. She's
And
a
guys,
very...
stop on into any what's money ngibona nithi ngiyasaba ukubingelela. Hey, greet me.
In
fact, if you want-
lalela kithi zithini impukane ezihlaza kuthiwa uma behamba nawo abantu emall uyamiswa nje wena kuba nzima nje kuthiwa nje if kuthiwa into izokwenzeka ngo1 ingenzeka ngo5 because of and now you very accommodative, you don't think about ukuthi sisaspanini.
Funny. No, guys, ukuthi I let me explain that part. I love people, guys. Besides that, this thing to me, it's a thing ukuthi I don't want to be someone that I'm not. Yes.
I love it.
I like them a little. I like them a little. I like the attention because remember the attention that I wanted from my father, he failed, and people are giving me that attention that I wanted,
And the attention you wanted from your mother.
Yes. And the love that they're giving me. The first time I had to think given 100K, I cried. 100K followers on TikTok. I cried. I was like, me? Kuna watu bao 100 sama mina. Aiwe 100K wonke, you know. So that maybe ngabo ukuthi nginomuntu engibona athi nangive ngithi ay yabona ke akeze uzathe picture kosama akeze
Vele nje
mangezi ngithi hi, how are you? Are you good? Oh, we can take it.
yeah. Sometimes other people they need that, you know.
Yeah,
because
mangibona ukuthi angisaba ngicela sengibabingelela
No,
mina because I feel like nami ngibe nama trauma ama celebrity uthi mawuthi hi vela hayi ngathi ngiphinde ngibingelele celebrity in my life.
kodwa abafani. Honestly, abafani. I think umuntu unomuntu wakhe or abantu banabantu babo. Because mina Shamara wanna lie, I've been meeting amazing people. Very accommodative. Now uzu feeling ngathi uyiceleb ke manje feeling ngathi ngiyiceleb ke yayibona leyo nto.
Asithi kuya ngokuthi umuntu usondelene like okay ngathini mina for example, let me give you an example. Usibali.
Yes.
Also the first time when I saw her, she hugged me. Pretty, how are you? We just clocked it. Even today, she's saved as Standa Sami on my number. Standa Sami Sibali. That's how we connected.
Yeah.
Even Tabi sings, even her. The first time I was like, I'm sure you. The first time when I saw her, she was nice, loving, funny. You know, those are the two celebrities, ladies especially.
Mina Nkosi yami, I would love to meet una lady.
One day.
Une energy enye ngiyifunayo ngiyayidinga ngifuna ukuyifaka kumaveni wami you know.
Yeah.
And ngikhala ngisho ukuthi inkosi ngigcine.
Even
And angashintshi.
Even I'm sure you know Ayake. Umanga fake yokuza,
Yes, yes.
baby ngizake her. She oh my god.
Really?
Funny. She seemed like Pretty Bush.
Mm.
Same. Pretty Bush yena, same.
You know, last week I was
Same.
laughing my lungs out. Like, yazi ngithola nomntana uyangidistracta and ngiyakhohlwa nokuthi ngifuna ukumbuza ini.
Yeah.
So now, let's talk about what inspired you getting with TikTok. And growing up, which kind of music you were listening to, and abobana abantu bebe inspire for you to keep on yes.
Okay, let me start where I started posting
Yes.
videos. Hey, when I posted a video, I didn't think that I was going to trend, guys, to tell the truth.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't think, and I never thought.
Is did it? Is did it? Mm-hmm.
So when I posted my first video on TikTok, and I was crying. And
were you really crying?
Really crying.
Gotcha.
My eyes were swollen. When been coming, one thing that I wouldn't mind, ukuthi ngife.
That's when you said you were in a dark space.
Yes. That was my first video that I posted on TikTok, and it trended. Not too much, but yeah, trend. And people were DMing me, "No man, don't do that, Pretty. We love you." I had fans, but fans that I didn't know that I had. You know, or not just a fan. Let me say people that like me.
Yeah, I prefer that word than
Yes.
fan.
Yes,
yeah.
yes. So, and then I posted a video explaining the relationship between me and my father.
Mm.
When manje, I think my video this year, now I keep on TikTok because I felt like the way ngimchaza ngakhona on that video on TikTok.
Uyombhensisa ngesixhosa uyomkhumula.
Yes. Na angimkhumulanga in a way, angikhulumanga ngaye ngamngasho ukuthi ubani, ngithe umuntu. But at the same time, since sengikhulile, I shouldn't do that. Like leyo post video bese yathi futhi ngiyamzonda. Futhi yabo, I shouldn't do that.
But it was your space of maybe there's a space sakho sokuthi uqale therapy yakho. You shouldn't blame yourself, and that's how you felt. We are entitled to our feelings.
Yes.
Don't ever say that. Ukuthi I wasn't supposed to say. That's how you felt at that time.
Yes.
And that is why when you look back now, you feel better, and you feel that what you said there it was wrong, but you were in your feelings and you were entitled to that. Yeah. And I'm glad you did it because we are here today.
Yes. We are here. So I posted, and then I posted my second video. Kamsongi. Iti okola nhliziyo yami. I posted a video, it trended. And when I posted the second one, it was over.
Yeah.
And then I posted another one singing Jehovah Mkhumbule Nami. That was when they were like, Lengane. And then after that, I didn't stop posting videos. I didn't stop because remember, the time I was depressed, what made me to be more depressed, I don't have a career. I don't want to go back to school because main reasons why I didn't want to go back to school. I'm not saying that. The other reason, Nami, I'm also a reason why I left school. I'm not clever, but I'm not dumb. So it's for me now. I felt like that time. It's chai.
You know, I was sitting no Pretty Buhle last week. She said the same thing about bullies at school.
Yeah.
Is it that bad?
Yeah,
because we had bullies, but it wasn't that extreme.
Do you know how they demonstrate bullies on movies? Bully that bakuthathela ikhaftina or the
Munye school bag.
those are not bullies that we get in esikoleni. We get bullies even no teacher angakubullisha. You've never been nothing winner. You understand?
My biology teacher. I hear you.
So ama-bullies laba beka kuma-movies akusona thina sothola lapha ya. Thola lapha umuntu omdala, thola umuntu ozokubukela phansi ngale ndlela uzozusho ukuthi yo. Lento ayisho
Qiniso, I hear you.
And ngapha vele nami shema I don't wanna lie. I was not good with school. For an example, nala ngiqhamuka khona ekhaya endlini. Kubaba sometimes bengalala eklasini. Ngazi nje mina mangena eklasini ndothi ngene uthisha we-math or uthisha mhlawumbe waleyo subject. The only two subjects beyathi ngalali yona isiZulu ne-English kuphela. Ne-life LO, thank you. I'm saying
Life orientation, yeah.
So because I think uthisha we-life orientation, I mean LO.
Yeah.
Way close to me. Even Tisha was soon, she was close to me.
They could see. They could
See
yeah.
me. Even Tisha way English. Even Tisha way English.
And people don't understand. You know, I was once asked this. Why your man? Why him? I kept on saying, because he sees me.
Yeah.
He sees me in the midst of everything. And in the midst of everybody. He sees me. And understand. So I hear what you say when you say, they saw me.
They saw me. And even though they made me feel like, yeah, but immediately I hate someone also wants example ngami. I hate it. Don't make any example ngami. Don't do that.
Siyakwazi ukuthi uzoza nemadoda score njengo
siyazi wena ukuthi uzolala eklasini njengo babaze bacabanga ukuthi mina ngiyaphuza something esikoleni or ngithi because mina ekhaya ngiphatha iskaftina because now ukuthi khona isinkwa leso thatha isinkwa leso bese ijuice asinayo so ngizothatha amanzi nompupulu obrown so amanzi mawubona ebrown yazi yini nje lena. So, but I've never tried drinking at that time, Shem. I've never tried drinking. But I didn't want to end up like my father. Mine got a pooza, I gave a fit. But back then, I was young. So, they saw me, Otishabami, and that's why my Shona, because the Tisha was Shona, always Sul, my Shona. Washona funa khona nami sengiyekile esikoleni because I think they changed her. Bese ngikavele ngayeka esikoleni and nezinye amanye ama results.
Ugogo uthini ungasafuna esikoleni? Uzame zonke.
Abona umuntu akushaza athi ngizokubulala namhlanje.
Namhlanje ngizokuthelana ngamanzi. Le ngubo lesifanele ngizithele ngamanzi.
Akushaya uzichamele ube mandi.
Yeah.
But nanokuthi she was like low key. When I go back to each and every story that she told me, when she saw me, she saw her in me. And for any parent, bezongilahla mina. Since angangizali phela Khumbula. Bezongilahla, but she didn't.
But yakuzala.
Yabona?
I-DNA yakhe runs through you.
Yes. So
but she was not obliged.
Yes. So no bethi ayilenga nemfana ixhoshi hambise ku home. Biza ke wena xoxa nje story. Bazabise ngisho nama social worker bathi ngeke ile uma uyangihlukumeza.
Ubizwa babizwa ama social worker esikoleni?
No esikoleni one of abantu abangasekhaya.
Yes.
You know about Makhelane. So wabiza.
Do that look again?
Yeah.
Yes.
So they did that and ugogo she didn't have nothing to say. So besamba ma uthanda ngalo
umkhulu.
By my brothers. Angisho ngiphela mina intombazane ekhaya. So they thought.
Did you go through all of that?
And I was young. I was in grade 3 at that time. And they would check on me and they see nothing.
That's a trauma on its own.
You see, And lento ama-social worker nami nje ngizibuza ukuthi why they lied on my name and I didn't say anything. Uvela uthi Pretty Ratio ubungarishwanga. Do you know me? Did I tell you that? Did you see that? Yabo.
Kuthiwa kukhona umuntu omprotectayo mhlawumbe.
Whereas they loved abanobhuti bami mina bebengithanda bengiqanda kubona. Philane Mthobisi because by-2 mind.
And imagine if it went further baze baboshwe because kulamalanga baningi abantu abasemajele always say that a big stats in South Africa, one of the big stats yiyo le ndaba yama sexual abuse and all that.
So when I dropped out of school it was child.
So now ngifuna sikhulume ama-highlights wempilo. So far so good. So mayiqhubeka ke lento yakho ye-TikTok you yakhala kodwa ku-TikTok yasikhalisa.
Yo. Yazi nje angifuni ukuveza i-secret. But angifuni ukuveza ingredient okay, but it's a secret ingredient. Is it ingredient?
Yes.
Ingredient. But I don't want to show it. But I am low-key an actor.
Yeah, I've seen that.
If I'm gonna make a song about someone that Oshonile vele, I have to be there.
Gotcha.
I can't act like ngithi yazwena ubabulele bonke. I can't.
Yeah.
I can't. But when I'm singing, I want you ongale we screen ubone ukuthi the song that I'm singing about, you may go through the same thing.
I felt it when you were singing Ngokoko.
You see?
Yes. I felt it.
So mina mangicula ngenzela ukuthi noma uthawuna udlule into enenganganani. Azi ukuthi whatever the song that I'm singing, tutuzeka. You know? And nanokuthi mina self, I never noticed ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuzihila until I started singing and making videos, posting them. When I go back and listen to the videos, I'm like, I can actually heal myself by listening to my own voice. There was one time I cried so much that I played my own songs. I didn't play the Hello from the other. No, I didn't. I'll play my own songs. They heal me low key. And so mangibona ngikhala for the TikTok. Yeah. It's me acting, but sometimes it's so related to the song. And I want you to see ukuthi noma mawuthi uhleli lapha uya bad commenter bokuthi abanye abantu bafila kanjani.
Tell me about my comments. People can.
And I'm a bad comment. And I'm a bad comment.
Yes.
My bad commenter on my profile.
Yes.
This is what you must know. Immediately when you bad comment or more comment on my videos.
Yeah.
You know what I do, Nina? I go to your profile, check, scroll, and say hi to you. And then I go back to your comment.
Yes.
I delete your comment. And then I go back, I block you.
Is it kuna video yakho engithi ngiyayicinga yazilana? Do you think that helps instead of abantu babuyele nabo babaphendule back? Do you think it's not worth it to do that?
Like
if umuntu makakhuluma something, makakommente something, just block and move on. Is that what you're saying?
Okay, mina, let me tell you why manje sengiyenza.
Yes.
Before, okay, last year ngaposta video, ne?
Yes. Sorry ngikulalele sana video engifune engiyithanda yakho. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So last year ngenza video ngicula ingoma kaBhutsula 7.
Yes.
And people were lapha ka bashing me. Uba ngumsindo awuyekela ingoma umuntu omdala.
Yes.
Asangizodlala la. You know? Amunye aqhamise ukuthi nikuphi izinja.
Yeah.
Baso comment again under that
zinja.
So that day I almost deleted the video. I'm bored to delete the video.
Because ngimzwile no Pretty Buhle last week sithi bathi ngiba ngumsindo athi hlisa ivolume ke.
So And that time, I mean, I don't know how to reply.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like, yabona, for example, ngiyengibone umuntu my bad commenting. Cool. Ay.
This is my favorite.
This one. So, Mama,
I love it.
when
much.
I posted, I'm gonna tell you about that video. So when I posted the video, yeah, Zola 7, I put Zola 7, bashing me. Angiyakuzwe ulinda kancane ingoma umuntu omdala ithi nje ukhamba ungekho kuyona. Hayi mana relax sis. Asangizodlala la. Hayi mana uye kuZola 7 in. Awuyeke hey.
What song? Which one is that one?
Baba yemlo imbube. So, and mind you, that time my lyrics but ngawazi. So bengicula into engizwile mina yabo. So nga decide ukuvala ama comment section. I didn't even take uZola. Ngavala ama comment section. Mangavala ama comment wonke laba ngawafunda angene enhlizweni. And I can't even have words to say to them, because I know some people uzobona mina ngicomment so mhlambe ngiso na comment afuna khona angiboni kodwa ngicomment into ezophatha umunye umuntu kahambe. So me returning the same thing ithi yeah usho ngalento ngamakhala amakhulu
like siyamazi umuntu o retaliate ne Dominic.
That one yeah. Ayo guys wait, and she blocked me.
Why?
I don't know. Yazin, like last year I don't even comment. I don't even comment. But mhlawumbe kwaba ukuthi lapha mistake because I don't even comment. Maybe because namgenza khona umuntu engamblock
mistake. Dominic,
unblock phela mama.
Please darling.
Ngiyacela ngazi ngenzeni makuthi ngonile ngiyazilahla kuwe. Cela ungunblock. So okay. So that day the way I heartbroken ngakhona. Yethena same day video. Yazi uTikTok ngisendela i-text athi your video is trending. Into wazisho lapha mfethu.
Usendela i-TikTok ukuthi you are trending.
Yes. Hayibo. Aza ngikaze ngikhale kanje. Ngiwafunda until I was like, you know what? If I listen to them, angeke ngiye phambili. Ngavala ama comment sections after some time uZola 7 wangitext at TikTok. Pretty I want to feature you on music video.
Look at God if you deleted that video. Look at God.
I went back. I opened the comment section. The first comment was mina ngathini. I wrote a new one ngathi mina ngathini. Nina nathini. Bese ngabona ama like I don't comment. Ngathini mina kathi nithi ngiyabed comment. Adikathi mina nithi ngiyamemeza. What did I say? Nothing.
Usende video show njalo nje.
No, ngavela ngaposta ngabhala comment.
Wayipina.
Just yes ngayiphina ngayibeka phezulu. Ngathi mina ngathini nina nathini. So the reason why manje I block people it because I don't want to close comment section. Because kunabantu
abazoshintsha into ezokwakhaya
ezingakhayo. So uthi yes manje I do close ama comments makuthi maningi kakhulu abed ngiyawavala, you know, but if I see that one that is very enkulu because they Aisha bangifuna manga abantu bama TikTok they defend me and they do athi wena usho ne phone engathi ufaka amafutha ecamera usmela
ngathi kubona emaphupheni.
They do defend me angazi bese bona mina if I started ngiyekile ukuphendula ama comments because I would think manje ngiphendule yebo ngiyaphendula but into ethi ngiyeke kakhulu ukuthi ngibona ukuthi manje mangiphendula wena lo munye ngamphendula I feel like
ubuvela ufaka ama like
that's what I do ufaka ama hearts manje because I know how it feels. If I comment iqala umuntu avela phendula comment yabona so but yeah man manje the reason angenza njalo because angifuni ukuvala ama comment just because of one person. If there maningi amahle I open them delete le one keep away yabo but abanye ngiyasho uthi no I'm not gonna block you. I want you to look at me, hear me on your phone until you decide to block me. yabo. And abantu engibablock kakhulu abantu abadala. Izingane ngiziblock. Ngiyambhalela nje technically lento eyicomment la ngithandanga and
Why abantu abadala ba-block bona? Usaba ukuthi uzo-retaliate.
Umuntu omdala manje uzucomment on my video uthi there's this other one there's this other lady that she used to come back and comment bad comments. Sengize ngamnaka yezwa. Sengize ngambheka like ngamnaka. Umama khona athi wenza ubufebe. Hawu. Ngenzeni mina? Ukhalisa ubufebe. Hawu. Ngenzeni? She will come back and do the same thing. When I go back to her profile, she posted labona kukhona ukuthi umuntu mhlambe bahayikile account yakhe. No, she would post each and every day new videos of her saying things, beautiful things. Ngabona no lo mama lo ufuna umdala for lento ayicomment-ayo. So for me ukuthi ngagcini sengifana njengalendlela yena actor ngayo, let me block her. Phume again.
Ngiyakuzwa. Ngafuna uphendula umuntu omdala. So, Uzola, we have inbox, wanna feature, tell me about it. And then tell me with your management.
And yes. So, it happened that after some time, ngiyenza my video on TikTok. Ngaspotwa ke Scissors Beats, guys. With Scissors Beats. Wangispota. He was like, hey, bruh, come to studio. Hey, man, I was a studio, mate. Ngeza studio. Oh, the first studio session engayakusona ilanga recorda khona ePenya Play iJova Ngikhumbule Nami. The first Jova Ngikhumbule Nami, my first song. So, and then the second time angibiza uSizas, I didn't know at that time he was going to change my life. He did. I'm who I am now because of him. He may be difficult. You are difficult, but you changed my life. So
now you're no longer staying with friends?
No.
Hey,
so let me tell you.
Yeah.
So my spot on TikTok, I should my cam for studio session.
Yeah.
And bengihleli ngisaba kuma studio ukuthi yo what if athi hey man yamemeza kakhulu. Hey musu pressa kakhulu ungaphini kakhulu bengazi ku studio record kayi1. Okwesibili awunikwe lenye ithuba. Yabo the way things ngisaba ngakhona but the first time in your record the studio naye he was nice. Mangithi sorry. The same way yabona into engisho ngikhathi ngiqala ukurecord manje ngisayisho. Ngixolisa again. Every time ngirecorda mina makuthiwa ngenza uthatha ivideo uzozothola ngixolisa again. So he made
uyenza brand yakhe yazo. Uyenza brand ethi ngixolisa again. Ne? On repeat.
So
that's your brand.
He when he took me ngarecorda izingoma lapha yana. Ayokumnandi nje.
Did you feel like a superstar?
They made me feel like a superstar. Ukubona umuntu mayifika mfethu ungena endlini uzizwe ukuthi superstar. Hlala phansi ke lona uSizasi, lona uSibanibani, yabo. And mangiqeda recording ngoma ngisendela ngayizwa ingoma ngayithanda, you know. So when time went by when they introduced me to Inqolobane, he's the one who tried to pretty. I was just so cool, man. And then he told me, Pretty, you're very talented. And I want you to seven and down. Because if voice are in a man, like cool food. And then I was like, hey, very to Gafona. Zotola Mali. But he only about patient. Like, give me and gimbona as uSizas, gimbona as umalume. Mina, because he didn't take me as ingane nje amayishela, you know. He took me, yes. He took me as ingane yakubo encane. He took care of me, you know. Even though benginalapho mina naye sibane now day yabona, but he will acknowledge my mistake akhe. Umalume kumina. So when he introduced me kwiNqolobane kwangena ke nomalumnyiko. Ngabe ngaba nobhuti abayi2. Hawu. Free of charge. Ngabathola mahala ke.
Mahala li.
Angidayiselwanga. No.
And izange nabo bafuna ama exchange of something.
Bangithanda, banginakekela. Nani ngathi futhi sengibiza uZola. They drove me to the music, to like shoot on music video. Ngashutha ngisho no music video wami we ngihappy guys. And so the reason why ngichaza kakhulu kangaka about my relationship with uSizase noMalumnyiko ezinqolobane, they took care of me, even though I saw ukuthi hayi abona imali ngifuna imali, but they will make means ukuthi asinayo imali Prit.
Uyabona nawe.
Uyabona nawe, but
pusheni
this
one
is what
day.
you should do. Ngiyawathanda ke ama-noodles namaqanda, bengiwathola bangiwacelile ngiyawathola. So yeah man, and when I recorded a music video le we baba yimloyo kaZola mawuvela ku TV, I went back to them. I was like, ngiyabona umsebenzi, ngiyabona ngasho ukuthi ngiyabona ngathi ngiyabona umsebenzi, ngiyabona umsebenzi, because low key sometimes yazi into mayenzeka ungabongi qala. Watch and see. I'm not saying they're gonna they didn't actually, I wanna those two but loyal ngathi ngijolana ngathi ngathi my husband's one,
yeah,
because they
when ugogo Skhutheni.
yes ugogo Skhutheni. So yeah man, they are labantu engasho ukuthi mase kuthiwa ngiyafa manje yibo kuqala engabafonela ngithi ngiyafa, bathi good night, siyeza manje. You know, even when I was going through my depression after yonke into eyenzala ngapha imali ayingeni, but I'm famous on TikTok, they took care of me still.
Tell me about that. I know exactly, because when you start something, okay, I'm good at this, and then make a time frame. I'm expecting by this time, results it's depressing. I know.
Depressing, kakhulu.
I know what you mean.
Because even the first time mom says iqala ukungibona ngikhala, like iqala ukungibona ngikhala, I low-key saw his face. This is what he doesn't want. And even though Malumnyiko ukangibona ngikhala, it changed them. Elathi artist akumele likhale kanje. Because even namanje the way la ngikhona ngihappy, ngilandela ama lyrics so ingoma yami.
Yes,
I'm just
happy.
happy.
Yes.
I have two brothers or malume abayi-2 that abanginakekelayo, and I'm grateful. Soon sizoya ekhaya siyoshuta music video wase lo ekhaya, and
it's a beautiful song.
I can see into abazongenzela zona ezinhle without even going there. I can see ukuthi they care about me. I'm not just an artist to them. I'm a little baby that emele bayinakekele. Enough about them phela. It's not about you, it's about me. How futhi mangifika endlini nje mawukuthi babuka le video namhlanje and aningithengela ngamaqanda nama noodles ngizona expose finish and clear.
So how are the projects going so far?
Okay, because ngiqeda release music video wami we ngihappy,
yes,
and Inqolobane Records. Manje, I'm writing a book.
Tell me about it.
So, okay, I'm writing a book about my life. That's when you're gonna know things that I didn't say here. The day you go
I can't wait.
And read the book.
Is the people that you're working with?
Giliwan, kabang.
Okay.
I'm forcing.
There's an author who was here, who's link, who's most of his books are recognized by Department of Education. Abantwana abaningi basema library and all that.
And mina incwadi engibhalayo okwamanje
I don't title already.
Okwamanje kusane title yamanje. I think it, on my side I feel like ngifuna ibe nama titles ayi-2.
Okay, it's the title.
The first one is Echoes of My Soul.
It's a
Echoes of My Soul.
Echoes of My Soul.
Yes. So it talks about what umama into adlule kuzona, because I feel like the story samama and the story sami, it's similar. Just that
your biological mother.
No.
Or ugogo. Yeah.
So it's story mang is chaza. I am the author, I'm telling you a story about a girl. I'm telling you about a story. I'm not saying I did this. No, I'm telling you a story.
Okay.
So I'm talking about exactly my life, vele. Yabo. So okwamanje ngisabhala ngomamami. Every story that she told me, I'm trying to make sure ukuthi ngizibhale yonke into until ifike to my struggles. Echoes of my soul, it's the part young. Eyakhe I'm ngisacabanga ukuthi eyiphi into engayinika lona that is powerful and also poetic.
Okay.
You know. So incwadi nje just ikhuluma ngabantu ababili, abantu besifazane, struggles that women go through because we do something that
and mina refuse igama lembokodo guys. Yo mina shame mina.
Futhi imbokodo na the last time I check imbokodo we that litre that when you bamba it just tufukela so.
Mina ngiyisend shame ngisanti guys. Beach send. Please.
So
yeah
man umamami ke.
And then so now so far ingi happy.
Yes.
And then you're writing.
Yes.
And then the project yakho nozola, how is it going yona?
No man, we just released a music video.
And then ekhaya guys go and listen to
check that song guys. Nika nokubhunguka egoli. Abayeke ukubhunguka egoli. Ngicela ubatshela abayeke ukubhunguka egoli. Hambe niyokhumbula ekhaya.
Yes.
So ingi happy we're just going to shoot a music video akona and also there's an EP coming.
Yes.
Because we're going to release an EP.
Do you believe in love? As much as you've experienced things in your life, do you believe in love? Do you believe that love exists? You did mention right now, Umnyiko no Caesar, they give you love. So you are witnessing love. Do you believe in love?
Okay, let me say one thing, then I answer your question. So guys, there's an EP coming titled Lelepi. Kamala mama. Lelepi. Kamala kokwam.
Oh, Lelepi Kamala.
Yeah.
Yes, I saw that.
Let me tell you why I'm Lelepi. Apparently, wangitshela ukuthi ubaba yakhe shuthi wahamba. Mayezalwa wathiwa yazi kazi ubaba lengane uLelepi. That's what she told me. She told me that. If I'm lying, man, shy. But you told me that. So, yeah, man. So, okay. Do I believe in love? Ooh, I do. To tell you the truth, I do believe in love a lot. With him, all these years, I've never found myself in a relationship where I'm like, I'm seen.
Okay.
For who I am. It's always a thing. When I'm angry.
Yes, man.
It was never a thing. I love you for you, pretty. No, I'm trying this part. I still love you. So it was a thing. I'm in a relationship with someone that doesn't like me. Until last year, when I found myself a little boyfriend,
You know what you just said. Slindile, I love you so much that I am right-handed. That's my powerful side of doing things. And you are the left side. But I don't have to remember the left side because of I'm always focusing. You're literally there. That's how I love you. I don't have to recall, because I use this hand, this one I need to use it as well. I was like, how did you think about that? It was like, but that's how I love you. I don't have to remember that you are there. You are part of me. And for me to do things, I need to use both hands. So it was a beautiful thing. So I'm saying this because of Ushul. You want that someone who's God forbid, so shy so imoto. I see you.
Until last year, I can't tell you why we broke up, but I made a lot of mistakes. He met me when I can say we met wrong, you know, because even manje, what happened between me and him, if he can give me a chance now again, that will be a third chance. Because I messed up all of them. Not by Uti, I wanna do it. No, it was, we met things wrong. I was in the middle of thing that I wanted to move from Yona, but I couldn't. and mina mentally singikhulisile ukuthi kunezinto manje mina and I've been single for 5 months without even calling or going out on date with anyone.
Yeah.
That's how single I am. After what happened between me and that guy. That guy like
5 months.
That guy loved me.
You know, it's so rare finding someone who broke up with someone and they taking a blame. We always want to blame.
Yeah.
And I commend you for that. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
Shem,
you.
I
Not all men are trash.
Yeah, not all men are trash. No, Shembe ubengiphethe kahle Shem mfana momsuthu madoda. Ngabe ngiyamtshela igama ke ngazabe ngiyomfuna. Nina.
Your social platforms, please.
Nina.
Are you available for bookings and your social platforms?
Okay, guys, I am available for bookings, but okamanje I'm having problems with inambi mele ngifake bio. So okamanje, if you wanna book me, rather text me on Instagram. Until you see number yami on if you see this video in 5 years, until you see my number in my bio, there's a number there engizobe ngifakile. But okwamanje namhlanje mawuthi ngifuna ungibook, just check me on Instagram. I don't have much following, so it's easy for me to see you. Okay, lo ukhuluma ngani and bancane abantu abangitextayo. Go TikTok ngosami yo.
And then what are your handles wakho?
Okay, my handles is Pretty Masompisi. At Pretty Masompisi on TikTok, at Pretty Masompisi on Instagram, at Pretty Masompisi on YouTube, at Pretty Masompisi on Twitter. I don't like Twitter. I love Twitter.
It's the people who are in the black Twitter.
Yeah, but yeah, man. The only platform that I'm more famous on is TikTok. So check me on TikTok. If you wanna check my music, go Spotify lapha uthi Pretty Masompisi omuhle, you'll find
Spotify,
me
guys.
Spotify. Nakupi futhi everywhere actually.
Yeah.
La ufuna
at Pretty Masompisi.
Yes, at Pretty Masompisi. Noma ngathi Pretty Masompisi kuyafana. Noma ngabhala nje uthi Pretty Masompisi omuhle.
Zamthola.
Akekho omunye.
Yes, nizwe.
Mangamtholi la uzobe la. Yabona. I hope you see though more.
What is that one thing that you wish you could go back to young, pretty, and apologize for? And what is that one thing you would want to go back to that young pretty and applaud her? Like, Utsi, you did well.
Okay. Can I name 2 or 3?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. Firstly...
Oh, I said one thing. Okay.
Yes.
You can mention.
So, firstly, I want to go back to Pretty Mncane, noma sithi uNompendulo Mncane. Tell her ukuthi I'm sorry for everything that you are going through, that you're going to go through. I'm sorry. That's life. And one day it's going to build you. It doesn't take 2 years, doesn't take even a day. It takes time. But ngifuna ukutshela in advance Nompendulo ukuthi I'm sorry. It's not your fault. Don't blame yourself. And then the second thing is, let's say I'm proud of you. I will go back when bengihlala nogogo. Okay, manje ngithi ngiyambongela. Ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi I'm proud of you for ukubekezela. After what happened between you and your father. I'm proud of you. I'm really proud of you. And if you are Nompendulo and you're just looking at me, it's either, it doesn't matter, on a 6, on a 10, 11, on a 12, 15, and you want to be Pretty Masompisi, don't stop. Cry, food. Pray. Doesn't matter what to teen. Pray, cry.
Don't stop.
Don't
Keep
stop.
going.
Keep going. It doesn't matter ukuthi bathu mubi. Mina ngikhule bethi mina ngimubi. Bengibizwa ngomnyamane. Bathi mina ngomnyamane. Bethi mina ngimnyama. Nina, bethi mina ngimnyama. Bethi mina ngumfana. But yeah, man, learn to love yourself. And another thing, lastly, that no matter what ngikhule kangakanani, noma sengimdala, and I go back and look at this video, I want to tell Pretty ukuthi, Pretty, in life there is an option. Don't tell yourself ukuthi there is no other option.
There's always.
And before I used to tell myself, last year I told myself there's no option, and I lost the love of my life because of that. I lost him, and I'm still in a process of healing. When I lost him, Mama, I mean, I couldn't even believe. I don't believe.
5 months later.
Friends also. Never trust friends. Guys, I wonder if you have a friend, and that friend, we am tema, hey, cool, but me personally, I had bad trauma of friends. They made me hate women. I don't hate women, but I hate, friends. Like, Pincha me told me some so groove at
sisterhood.
I don't do that.
Hashtag.
That's why I don't groove anymore. The only time I go to groove is when I'm going to perform.
Work.
So, things that I want to tell you lastly, Pretty, don't stop. Don't tell yourself there's no other option. In every situation that you're in, there is an option. Because lendo just unayo manje, and you're just holding it. One day, lahleka. So sibuza ukuthi kenze njani? No, there is another option.
Hey, njengoba behlala besho ukuthi ngizoba yini ngaphandle kwakho, but they managed to move on.
And yazi, you managed to move on. Ukuthi the reason why I blame myself a lot last day, ukuthi every time mina it was them bahlukumeza mina or baronga mina, and I didn't believe ukuthi leyo nto nami ngiyoyenza, but not intentionally ukuthi I wanna do it. It just happened.
I hear you. And I wanna add, Pleasant does mention it's okay not to be okay.
Yeah.
Because we are this world where we have to have pretty pictures with broken hearts and all that.
Yeah.
It's okay not to be okay.
It's okay, yes.
There's nothing wrong with saying I'm not okay and I'm shutting down and I need to reboot. Do that.
And lastly, what I want to add to anyone ocabanga ukuthi, like let's say manje ucabanga ukuthi, yeah, I want to commit suicide. Sit down and search kubo bonke abantu abaseke bashona because of suicide. And watch how do they support it, or do they grieve. Basibulele ne? Bukuthi how much abantu abade mhlawumbe umngani wakhe, how much how long did they grieve?
Yes. Yeah.
It doesn't even take a month.
Very.
After my 1 week or 2 weeks, they just forget.
Even this thing of us posting people when they are dead, but we never celebrate them when they're alive. For me, it's some sort of hypocrisy and young orange.
Yes. Into engifuna ukutshela yona ukuthi I've been there, done what, and luckily uNkulunkulu ngisindisile. Guys, committing suicide and thinking about committing suicide at that time, you feel like, yeah, mase ngife vele bazokhala. Yeah, for 2 days they will cry, and then after they continue to their lives. Mina if uNkulunkulu wangivumela ukuthi ngishone, kaba ngikho la ngikhona, and I'm wearing a watch that I bought yesterday. I bought it yesterday. So ngaba ngikho la ngikhona, guys. So keep pushing. If you feel like you want to commit suicide, ask yourself these 3 questions.
Did I weigh all my options?
And also, lesime nguso yini sinkulu ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi sekuphelile ngempilo yami, sifanele ukuthi ngife mina uze sona siphele. Lastly, if you want to commit suicide because you feel like impilo doesn't make sense, it doesn't matter ukuthi uhethe umfana or imali ayingeni or kushonela umuntu or anything, uyabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu kulethela la emhlabeni ngesizathu. Each and every pain that he gives you, it's a lesson, it's a test ukuthi this is how you should behave if you're going through something. And you don't have to you wanna make his no. Khala, scream, cry. Mina I don't wanna lie. The only thing that helped me when I was more depressed, I would cry myself to sleep. Wake up, cry again. If you wanna lock yourself in lean. Vala umnyango ubuka amavidiyo khala. They
say if there's no other way to go through pain, go through pain.
Go through it.
Because
yabona le uthi uzozibulala mntaka mathina sizothi
so selfish, usicabangile mara thina singabangani bakhe.
Sorry. And then after, hey baby, how are you doing? I'm coming today to visit you. Oh, my friend just passed away.
What do you want to be remembered for?
Man, as a broken little girl, but trying to heal people through my voice. Funama Nkumbule as someone that was trying so hard to enze uma wakhe aziqhenye ngaye. My mission ukuthi ngenze umama umuntu aziqhenye ngami. So if you are watching this video and I'm dead, hey, sorry mfethu, but as long as I have a car and I'm dead, be proud of me. But one thing that I want you to remember me with, Uti, I was that one person that was trying to heal, and one person that uthanda yabantu ngiyanithanda ningikhumule ukuthi ngibe ngimemeza njalo. I can't believe ukuthi mhlambe ngiyashona ngeke ngishone futhi mina.
And you've got a beautiful smile.
Scratch that sizofa. But yeah man, ngumuntu kanjalo bafethu mina. I don't think I would change.
And wait for the day.
Change. But I won't die. If I die, yo.
What's your wait for the day?
Wait, I want to come up with something because there is something that I'm feeling. We want to something, but you don't have the words. That's how I feel. Never look back and think, Uti, that bad story ilange mova. It's what you are.
You are not your past.
You're not your past. The word of the day is no matter who shawubani ngempama or hlukumeza ubani, that's not who you are.
I love it.
And no matter you blame yourself for something. No. Maybe scat sakon.
Yeah.
Forgive yourself. Learn to love. Love yourself. Hey, easy tandeni. Buy yourself chocolate. Anything. Emunati fela. Buy.
I'm happy.
Yes. Make yourself happy. You want to spread your wings. Don't ever usfake cage.
I love it.
Because you're sure Facebook food poisoning.
Umoya udlulile. Uthe umoya wadlula shemu. Wathi yo uyabantu. God. Is there anything that I didn't touch ufuna ukuthi si add mhlambi engakubuzanga yona that you feel which is important?
Okay. Oh yeah, yes guys, okunye ngifuna ukuthi ngicacisele because abanye bayalahleka. Yes guys, I'm signed. I am signed. And la ngisayine khona guys, I'm very happy. And okunye ekumele futhi ngakhohlwa ukuthi ingoma zami anizimameleni bafethu. Akuhethi nje uvela uplay. Phela press play. Mamela ingoma.
And mamuzi ngathi uyamemeza
uhlisa volume.
Kodwa iqhubeka ingoma idlala.
Iqhubeka ingoma idlala ngoba manje angazi ukuthi why ngayimamela ingoma yami. But guys, check my music out and there's more music ozayo and I'm hoping to have a feature with you, Naledi, even though I had time. But I love you.
Swile Naledi.
Ngiyakuthanda. Uthi na ungithanda ngazi ukuthi ngena kodwa mina ngiyakuthanda ke.
Aphiwe Naledi uzwile.
So yeah man, did you ask me to uba nengifuna ukuba nabo nengoma nabo?
Yes, your dream local. Thank you for that question. Your dream local people that you'd want to work with and international people that you'd want to work with.
Local people. Firstly, ngimnemile. Sisintomkaka Romeo.
Oh yeah, local, yes.
Okay, it's CC. Women, guys. I love working with women. I love working with them.
CC ulwa Ndlunkulu.
Yes.
Aphiwe Naledi.
No kunjani. Ash, man, I wanna come up with this. Nkosazana daughter. Oh, she has a beautiful voice.
Yes.
Tiny little beautiful voice.
Yeah.
Even though mina ngizobanga umsindo ngomeni yakhe, I don't care.
And then I was like, you
But with let's say international. And international is still in la Lesotho ne Botswana is the same. Yes, so guys, Botswana, there's this guy. Wait, I wanna find his name because last time I was in a podcast and I wanted to say his name, but I couldn't remember.
Okay.
I couldn't remember.
Mm-hmm.
I still find my way. I still find my way back to you. This is the guy. Wait. I'm gonna data. Wait. This guy. It's him Kamala. Kamala Kanglaza. Angaz no pronounce. Let me show you. Yeah.
Ezra.
Yes.
Things.
Yes, Ezra.
Okay, let us spell it. It's EZRA, and then Knitings. It's NEETIHINGS.
Yes.
Ezra Knitings.
Yes. Uyena umuntu engifuna ukusebenza naye ke mina ke guys. And also Kosiyam Tatastana and Wave Rider.
It's
She's busy.
Yeah. Yeah.
My playlist it's ibona fela.
Basotho sentle ba ratile.
Yabona Basotho guys kunalintho enaliba basu ngifuna uthi
enaleng elinteng ko Basotho.
Kunalintho elinteng lo Basotho.
Yeah.
Don't correct. Guys, there's some like I love the language, the way they sing. So Sotho,
the language.
No, I wouldn't want to I'm gonna give you the world. Guess you? I don't say I'm But yeah, guys, and then let's say outside South Africa.
Outside Africa.
Yes. Billy Elish, cause
I said, okay, got on
to know good for you. I love to lose, you can't afford to.
Yeah.
I wanna try that. Ukuthi mina angikwazi ukuculela phansi. Ngiyakwazi ukuculela phansi, but I am more creative.
I hear you. So and bonke labantu bafuna like uBilly no lentana baphansi. So ufuna ni balance.
Yabona indaba zombalance azokubalance sometimes
Okay.
But gospel, let's say mhlambe gospel because I want to try mina edge region. Maskandi. Ngibatha usebenza Thola kamnandi so I wanna actually mina ngeke ngibala makuthiwa ngihlaba ngibala bayi5 ngakutshela ngeke ngikwazi ngcono ngabali at all.
I hear you.
I wanna be everywhere.
I hear you.
You know, because mina my playlist you'll find English, Sotho, Maskandi,
yeah,
gospel, and I'll play it. I uzoidlala phela ibhola.
Yeah.
Ngizohlanganisa so.
Oh, okay.
gospel
Siningi siyakhuleka, siningi siyajiva,
yebo
siyatweka.
siningi sathweka
Siningi siyasina, ngiyakuzwa. So now ngiyacabanga ukuthi sirephe yonke into.
yes
Ngifuna ubonga.
can I rap when you mean
Yes, yes, you're gonna rap it.
Yes,
that's
I'm
why I
gonna
was
rap
asking.
it. Yes.
I wanted there, Phil. But I want to thank you for your time. I know you have many things ozenzayo, but
Yes.
this for me, it's ungenze umuntu nami.
Thank you.
And I admire you, my daughter. I admire you. Yabona la video le, and for sure sakayipostile already. uNkulunkulu akugcine and keep on inspiring other people. And as you said, you are not your past.
Yes.
And keep on heal so that you can heal. That's what I believe in.
Yeah.
You cannot heal other people if you're still broken.
Yes.
So heal so that you can heal. That's what I'm going to say to you. And guys, ngicela nihambe niyobona umsebenzi wakhe njengoba wamention ama social platforms wabo. Guys, siyabulela. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for your support.
Yes.
Ndifuna ukuthi niyazi ukuthi everything that we do, we acknowledge, we see you guys. As much as singeke sikhona ukunibiza nga-1-1. Ningakhohlwa ke guys, ngicela ni-subscribe, ni-share, ni-comment, ni-like. And uzokunika kakhululeka. And guys, nginesicelo bandla. Kuma-guests wami. Ngicela ukuthi mani-poster. Ngicela nifake i-link yami because ngine-problem ukuthi niyafika la ekhaya. Mase nenze ama-short clips. Aningifaki uthola ukuthi ngiyakubona une-100 views kuleyo short clip yami nawe kodwa awuyifakanga ilink yami. Ngiyayicela lo nto leyo guys, please unscramble life with Slee. And
if you
guys,
ever did what she said, screw you. I'm gonna do better.
Thank you guys. Ngihlangene naye ke na unompendulo through iResonation. Ngisase neResonation guys, they doing wonders. And angeke sigcine masubona namanje. So mana sihlangana esikhaleni sikantombela. And then ngicela
for inyama ngiyodla inyama nawe.
Yes, mase ngikhipha amadrati.
Yes.
Because angidli manje ngicela ungirephele ke.
Mama yazi I was meaning to ask. Amadrati kanjani understand?
Angidli avaliwe yikho ngikhuluma nje.
Uwavaleleni?
Sizokhuluma off record.
Okay.
Yes.
Inyama sengicabangela inyama ukuthi idla kanjani.
Angidli at all.
What is the name of the platform?
Unscramble Life with Slee.
Well guys, this was Unscrambled Life with Sis Slee. Am I saying it right? This is Sis Slee with Pretty Masobe. Is the most prettiest girl you could find in the world.
I love it.
The most pretty girl you could find in the world, guys. Please subscribe, share the link. If you don't want to share the link, share it even though you don't want, please. And also share a profile yakhe, even if you share kumngani wakho ahamba subscribing guys. It doesn't even cost 10k. It doesn't. And also guys, nibuka ama video akhe wonke. That was me and my lovely Hosh Karamaima. She's beautiful, but not more than me.
Yes. Okay.
Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
share, comment.
Thank you.